Hi, this is Abdul Munaf, working with Active Total Security Systems as a product engineer. Active Total Security System is a premier manufacturer of burglar alarm in the brand registered name of ATSS at Chennai in India. The firm officially starts its operation on May 2003. Now we'll see what is burglar alarm. Burglar alarm is a system designed to detect intrusion or unauthorized entry into a building or an area. The burglar alarm mainly used in residential, commercial, industrial areas to protect our valuable assets and provide peace of mind. Now I am going to explain about Active 306 H zone. It has a one control base panel and one master keypad. It is also called as remote keypad. Normally in the display shows time and zone status and panic and tamper status. D means deactivated, A means activated. If communication will be correctly, the LED will be blinking green and red combination. If there is no communication, the LED will be blinking red color. Now we'll see the configuration of Active 306 H zone. Before enter into main menu, all the zones will be deactivated state. Press F4, enter the default password and press enter. Please wait for password confirmation. Enter option 1. It has 8 passwords and 1 master password. If you want to edit the password, you can enter in the first option and edit the passwords. And second option is zone access. It has 8 passwords and 8 zones. If you want to access the zones, you can assign the passwords for zones. And third option is remote keypad. If you want to add the keypads, you can use this third option. Press escape. And fourth option is sleep option. If you want to enable the sleep mode and fix the time for sleep mode, you can access this fourth option. And fifth option is switch devices. Internal buzzer, external hooter, LCD blacklight and sleep mode and time relay. It has 5 options. If you want to enable the options, you can enable the options. And sixth option is confirmation zone. CNF tone. If you want to activate the confirmation tone, you can enter and press 1. Then press enter. The confirmation tone will be activated. And seventh option is date and time. And eighth option is application relay, R1 and R2. You can fix this time whatever you need. And ninth option is set time value for zones and siren and lock. This is for time delay for zones and siren on time and lock open. And zeroth option is restore factory default. If you want to access the restore factory default, press enter or no escape. And F1 is software version of this Active 306 H zone. And F2 is locks. And F3 is set auto zones. If you want to enable the auto zones, press enter. Select the zones as you want to activate it in auto zones, then press enter or not escape. And outside the enter option, F1 is chime off and chime on, and F2 is edit the password enter the password. If you want to activate the individual zones, you can use this F2 option. Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you want to enable the individual zones, press enter. And activate all the zones simultaneously, press F3, enter the password, press enter. Wait for 1 minute. After 1 minute, all the zones will be activated. If you want to deactivate the zones, press enter. Press the 0 directly 6 times. All the zones will be deactivated. Panic and tamper will be activated 24 hours. Now I am going to explain about active 306 8 zone wiring procedure. And this is the main input supply section, AC 220 volt 50 Hz. And these are the transformer section, primary and secondary. And this is battery input section. The battery range is 12 volt 7 ampere. This is communication part. It has a polarity and communication part. Plus, minus and AB. AB are the communication lines. With this keypad. And it has a 8 zones. Zone 1, Zone 2, Zone 3 and Zone 4, Zone 5, Zone 6, Zone 7 and Zone 8. 4 zones have a 12 volt output individually. If you want to connect the input sensors like PARs, vibration sensors, you can use this 12 volt output DC. It has a 1 panic zone. If you want to connect the panics, you can use this panic section. It is normally closed condition. And these are the 2 siren sections with the tamper proof. If you want to connect the sirens, you can use this siren sections and tamper proof sections. And it has a 1 external relay and also called application relay, normally closed, common and normally open. If you want to connect the home appliances, you can use this external relay or application relay. If you want to connect the auto railers, you can use this external relay. And if you want to enable or activate the control panel door tamper, you just remove this door jumper, change 17. The door tamper will be activated. And also it has a 1 special operation called remote operation. If you want to enable within the remote this panel, you can use this remote port. And this is the master keypad. It also have a 1 communication part, plus, minus, AB. AB is a communication lines, and it also 1 external relay, normally open, common, normally closed. You can drive with this relay 230 volt 5 amps, and it has a 1 door tamper. If you want to enable or activate this door tamper, you just remove this door jumper J10. This is the installation diagram of active 306 8 zone. The configuration of this product are done with the help of separate master keypad. So the communication and configuration of this product is done between the controller board and keypad. In this product, we can connect additional keypad named as remote keypad. So we can connect the keypad up to 8 in this active 306 age zone. These keypads can be used in different end users. Now come to the AC input supply section. The range is 20 volt, 50 Hz, and this is the battery section. It has a polarity, red is positive and blue is negative. The battery range is 12 volt 7 ampere, and this is the important area of this board called as communication section. It has a polarity and also have a communication part. It has a 8 zones. 4 zones have a 12 volt outputs. 4 zones have a only trigger inputs. The zones names are Zone 1, Zone 2, Zone 3, Zone 4, Zone 5, Zone 6, Zone 7 and Zone 8. If you want to connect normal door sensors, you can interface with this 8 zones. If you want to connect PRs or vibration sensors, you can connect with 4 zones. Because 4 zones only have a 12 volt outputs. It has a 1 panic output, and siren outputs are taken from siren 1 and siren 2. And also it have a tamper proof. It has a 1 external trigger and 2 application triggers. If you want to connect the auto dialers, you can connect with this external trigger. If you want to connect the appliances like light, fan, you can connect with this application triggers named as application 1 and application 2. If you want to protect or activate the control panel door tamper, you can use this door jumper.